Welcome to the 24th video on building a social network with Golang. We will continue with the notifications page, but first, we need to fix an issue. Let me show you. Here, I log in as Shinji and publish a new post. Then, I log in as Ray to comment on that post. Then, I log in back to Shinji to see its notifications. Alright. Now I mark this notification as read. Done. Now, I will comment once again as Ray. Back to Shinji. There, everything okay so far. But when I try to mark this second notification as read, we get an error. This is because the unique index constraint. As a simple solution, instead of having a Boolean field to indicate whether the notification is read or not, we will store the timestamp at when the notification was read. Notice that this field is nullable. Okay, now let's update the code. The API will still use a Boolean field. To scan it, we'll use a pointer to a time. And use this value to check whether the notification is read. To check for unread notifications, we check if the field is null. To mark a notification as read, we set its value to the current time. We do it only for the unread notifications. Now we just need to rename it in the other places. And that's it. Now, let's try to do the same process again. Good. Fixed. Now let's move into the front end. Let me start by adding type definitions. I want to subscribe to notifications all the time, that's why I will do it here at the header. So, first thing, I will check if the user has unread notifications. I will use this value to add an indicator to the bell icon. Now, subscribing to real-time notifications. So, every time a new notification arrives, I will make sure to add the bell indicator. Also, I will propagate an event with the notification. This is for the specific notifications page, so we don't subscribe twice. Also, I want to show a notification. A native push notification, I mean. Remember to set the tag to the notification ID so you don't get duplicates. Now we need to make a human-readable message out of the notification. For every notification type, we will show a different message. Done. Now, when you click on the notification, I want to mark it as read. I forgot to add the read property. Also, I want to skip this system notification step if you are already viewing this notification. To do so, I will check for the current URL path. This way, you don't get annoyed by system notifications. Looks good. Let's move into the notifications page. Let me fill in some boilerplate. This endpoint uses backward pagination if I remember correctly. Yeah. We will do something similar here. Once we click on a notification element, we will mark it as read. For now, I will copy-paste the code. For the notification content, I will do something similar, but this time I'll add some HTML to the mix. Now I will render this content inside a paragraph and add the timestamp below. Now we need to append the list item to the page. We will also subscribe to notifications from here. Remember, this time we are subscribing from the propagated event from the header. The notification comes at the event detail. Let's add some styling. Looks like I forgot to invoke this function. Also forgot to add the page to the roots. This looks like I forgot the break statement in the switch cases. There it is. Let me add an additional notification. Now we need to add the unread indicator. I want to display a simple dot to the side. Something like that. I wonder if there are some ARIA attributes for this too. I'm clicking the notification but doesn't seem to be marking it as read. There it is. Now let's test the system notifications. Well, we should have got a follow notification. And there's the reason. Looks like I missed to rename that. There. We should have got a system notification there. I remembered. We need to ask for permissions to use the notifications API. Still nothing. Well, of course we don't get the notification. That was the route matching for. But if we switch to another page, we do get it. The problem is that it's not redirecting us to the page we want. I'm not so sure how to do this part. I think I'll just use the same click handler and redirect there. I just need to get the notification href. Not quite yet. Maybe if we prevent the event default. Looks like that did the trick. And that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.